I looked at the 2 lines on the pregnancy test. My hands shook. Tears ran down my face. How could this happen now? My name is Lisa. I am 28 years old. I live in a small apartment in Seattle, Washington. It rains a lot here, but I like the fresh air and tall trees. I moved here from Florida 6 months ago. Back there, life was sunny and warm, but my heart felt cold. I grew up in a small town near the beach in Florida. I went to college in Boston. There, I met Tom. He was 28 too. We dated for 2 years. We laughed a lot. We walked in parks. We talked about dreams. Tom wanted to be a teacher. I wanted to work with animals. We planned a future together. A house, maybe kids one day. After college, I stayed in Boston for a job at a vet clinic. Tom worked at a school. We were happy. But then Tom changed. He said he was scared of marriage. His dad left when he was young. It hurt him. He did not want to be a father. He worried he would fail. So he broke up with me. My world fell apart. I cried for days. I felt empty inside. I hoped Tom would come back. I stayed in Boston. But 5 months later, he met Sarah. She was 27. They started dating. I saw their pictures online. They looked happy. My heart broke more. I knew it was over. I decided to move back to Florida. But before I left, Tom and Sarah broke up. It was public. Everyone knew. During that time, Tom and I met again. We talked. We shared old memories. One thing led to another. We slept together a few times. It felt like old times, but confusing. Then Tom said he and Sarah were back together. He said he still cared for me, but he had to stop. He needed to be fair to Sarah. His last words hurt. Don't call me unless it's an emergency. I need space. I packed my bags. I left Boston 3 weeks later. 2 weeks after I got to Florida, I felt sick. I took a test. I was pregnant. It was Tom's baby. I did not want to use the baby to get him back. That felt wrong. I deleted my old social media. I made new accounts with no real name. I only added friends I trusted. Friends who would not tell Tom. Early on, I checked Tom's page. I saw him call Sarah the love of my life. He posted a photo. I will marry this girl, it said. That crushed me. I blocked them both. I had to move on. Now I am 7 months pregnant. I bought a small house in Seattle. I moved here for a new start. The mountains are beautiful. I work at a pet store. I built a nursery. Yellow walls, soft toys. I love this baby already. It's a girl. I feel her kick. My family helps a little. Mom calls every day. Dad sends baby clothes. I know I can do this alone. Last week, I flew back to Boston. My best friend, Mia, had a birthday party. I could not miss it. I would have the baby soon. Life would change. I saw old friends. We laughed. We ate cake. They took photos, but only of my face. No one showed my belly. I looked a bit rounder, but nothing more. 2 days before my flight home, Mia and I went shopping. She wanted a gift for another friend. In the store, I saw Tom's sister, Katie. She was 24. We met at family events before. She loved to talk too much. Gossip was her thing. I never liked that. Katie saw me. She yelled, "Oh my God, you're pregnant." Everyone looked. My face got hot. She asked questions fast. "Does Tom know? Is it his?" I said no. It's not his. I have a new boyfriend. I'm only 5 months along. A lie. I wanted her to stop. She believed me, I think. She said congrats. We left the store. I hoped that was it. But Katie talks. Hours later, friends messaged me. Tom was asking for me. He wanted my number. My new social media. No one gave it. But I felt scared. My flight was soon. I wanted to go home. Some friends said, "Tell him the truth." Others said, "Ignore him." I did not know what to do. Tom knew I was pregnant now, but not that it was his. I sat in my hotel room, my belly tight. The baby kicked. What should I say? Part of me wanted to run. Part of me felt guilty. That night, I could not sleep. Memories came back. Tom's smile. Our walks. The breakup. The pain. Now this baby. She deserved to know her dad. But Tom said he did not want kids. Had he changed? I touched my belly. "What do we do, little one?" I whispered. The next day, Mia got a message from Tom. He wanted to talk. I said no at first, but then I agreed. We met at a coffee shop. Neutral place. My heart raced. Tom walked in. He looked tired. His eyes went to my belly. "Is it mine?" he asked softly. I nodded. Tears came. "Yes. But I did not tell you because you said not to call." He sat down. "I was wrong. This changes everything." We talked. He said he panicked before. His dad leaving hurt him. But now he wanted to try. "I can't just walk away," he said. I felt mixed. Happy. Scared. "What about Sarah?" He said they broke up. The news hurt her. She left. I told him about my life in Seattle. My house. My job. "I'm not moving back," I said. He nodded. "Okay. We figure it out." We left with no answers. But a start. I flew home. Now I think about the future. Back home in Seattle, days passed slowly. No word from Tom at first. I focused on the nursery. I painted the walls yellow. I set up the crib with soft sheets. 1 week later, my phone rang. It was an unknown number. I let it go to voicemail. The message played. It was Tom. "Please call me. We need to talk." My heart stopped. How did he get my number? I felt angry. A friend must have told him. That broke my trust. I texted the number right away. Who gave you this? He replied fast. It doesn't matter. We need to talk. I pushed back. It matters to me. Tell me now. He sent a screenshot. It was Mia. She gave it to him. That hurt deep. I trusted her most. We video called after that. Tom's face looked serious. I want to be in her life, he said. Our daughter's life. I don't know how, but I want to try. No yelling. No lawyers. Just us, talking like adults. I said I was sorry for not telling him sooner. He said he was sorry for his harsh words before. He told me about Sarah. They ended things. It was mutual, he said. But I wondered, did she leave because of the baby? I felt bad for her. She did nothing wrong. Her life changed too. We talked more. Every day after that. Tom asked about doctor visits, about the nursery. One night, he said, "Can I talk to her?" I put the phone on my belly. He whispered, "Hi, little one. I'm your dad." Tears came to my eyes. It felt warm, but confusing. Tom wanted to visit. "We need to talk in person," he said. I said no at first. Too soon. But he asked again. My baby shower was coming. Saturday. Family and friends in Seattle. Mom planned games. Dad brought food. My sister helped with decorations. Tom said, "Can I come?" For the shower. My heart skipped. Part of me said yes. Show we can co-parent. But my parents said no. He hurt you, Mom said. Dad agreed. My sister thought different. It could help build trust, she said. Before the baby comes. I thought all night. Memories flashed. Our good times in Boston. The breakup. The pain. Now this. I wanted what was best for my girl. She needed love. From both of us. I told Tom yes. But rules. Stay at a hotel. Come as her dad. Not more. He agreed. Fast. Saturday came. Rain fell softly outside. Inside, laughter filled my house. Pink balloons. Cakes with tiny shoes. Friends hugged me. You look strong, one said. Tom arrived. Nervous smile. He carried a gift. A soft blanket. For her, he said. My family stared. Mom frowned. Dad shook his hand, stiff. My sister smiled. Welcome, she said. We played games. Guessed the baby's name. I picked Emma. For hope. Tom sat quiet. But he joined. When we opened gifts, he watched. His eyes soft. Afterwards, we talked alone. In the kitchen. Why her? I asked. Why propose to Sarah? Not me. My voice shook. I needed the truth. Tom looked down. His hands fidgeted. I was scared with you. My past. Dad leaving. I thought I could not do it. With Sarah, it felt easier. less real. He met my eyes. But I was wrong. I regret it. Tears fell. Mine. His. I loved you, I said. Still do, maybe. But not now. Not like that. He nodded. I know. Let's focus on Emma. He left that night. Back to Boston. We still text. Plan visits. It's hard. Miles apart. But we try. Now I sit in the nursery. Rocking chair creaks. I touch my belly. You'll have love, I whisper. From me. From him. Life is messy. But we move forward. With hope.
What would you do if you were Lisa? Tell Tom the truth right away or wait like she did? Share your answer in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more English stories. Key vocabulary from the story are fidget, mutual, co-parent, regret, and trust. Fidget, to move your hands or body because you are nervous. Mutual, shared by two or more people. Co-parent, to raise a child together when not in a relationship. Regret, feeling sad about something you did wrong. Trust, believing someone will be honest and reliable. Lesson of the day. Regret. Regret means feeling sad or sorry about something you did or did not do in the past. Example from the story. But I was wrong. I regret it. More examples. I regret eating too much cake last night. She has no regrets about her choice. Thank you so much for listening. If you enjoyed this story, please like, comment, and share. You can watch the next story here or explore our playlist for more inspiring stories. And don't forget to subscribe. More interesting stories for learning English are coming soon.